How to fix unable to open link in Google. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with opening links on Google, try these few steps to help. First and foremost, press in Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your Windows. Pressing in Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete should open this page, which is your clear browsing data. Make sure all of the browsing history, cookies and cache is selected. Then after tap on Delete Data. Once this is done, head over to the second step. For this, from the left side panel, search for Extensions. Once you find the extensions from the left side panel, tap on it. This should now open another page. Now you have to tap on Remove for such extensions which are not required. Doing so will remove the extensions from your Chrome. Doing so, if you refresh your Google Chrome and start to Google, this should probably work. However, if it does not, you can try the incognito mode. To do so, press in Ctrl plus Shift plus N button. This way, it will open your incognito mode. Search for the links here and it should probably open. So this is how you can fix the issue of unable to open link in Google. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.